Morning, morning, morning. Taxi Chronicles here. Just had an interesting conversation with a young lady. She's Tongolese, and she's telling me she said, "Oh," I said, "What do you do for a living?" She said, "Oh, I'm just a secretary." I said, "Excuse me? Why are you demeaning yourself? Why are you just a secretary? Secretary is a very important job. Without secretaries, no one knows where to go, what's really going on in the company. You know, you're like the links to link everybody, the main cog that links everybody together." She said, "Yeah, well, I see what you're saying. I've corrected myself now, so I won't say that in future." I said, "Okay." I said, "What do you want to be?" She said, "Well, I'm not really sure." I said, "Well, what did you study in uni?" She said, "I did architectural technologies." I said, "Oh, okay." Myself, I'm a site manager, so I know all about that kind of thing. I said, what job, how much does the architectural technologist get?" She said, "I don't even know." I said, "Right, what about someone who just does AutoCAD?" AutoCAD, for those who don't know, is the software you use in construction industry to design buildings, design interior design. You can get paid quite a bit of money. She said, "Well, I think the starting wage is about 35. I said, "Well, you've got a degree, you can do that. Or you could do agency, you probably get more per hour doing agency." Anyway, it turns out that starting wage is 35, and the median wage for AutoCAD specialist, I think that's the correct term, is starting at 26 per hour. So I said, "Well, times that by 8. She said, "Oh, it's 100 and such and such." I said, "Okay, now times that by 5. I said, "So it worked out to £1,040 a week." I said, "Is that a bad wage?" She said, "Well, that's above average." I said, "Then times that by 48. Obviously, you're taking a holiday out of the 4 weeks holiday that we have, and then you're left with, I think it was like 47,000. But point being, I said to her, "So what you're really telling me," I said, "how much does a secretary get?" She said, "I think it's 26. Okay, so you're telling me you're throwing away £22,000 every year." I said, can you give me 22,000? She said, "I haven't got it." I said, "Well, that's what you're throwing away." Now, the reason I tell you this story, because this doesn't just go for her, it goes for a lot of us. Because she admitted, she said her problem is motivation, self-discipline. And I said, "Well, you need to find something that's going to motivate you. And hopefully this will motivate you. It's the money side of things." So I ask you, the audience out there, is, are you motivated? And if not, maybe you want to try and find something to be motivated about so you can help yourself.